Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can remove view only mode in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is selecting the view only document on our Google Sheets, and this is my view only document, so I'm going to select it. So we can tap on this three dots button on the file, and then we're going to click on manage access right here. And wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and as you can see guys, anyone on the internet with the link can view. So this document is in view only mode, so we're going to change the general access. I'm going to give edit access to anyone, so we can tap on this option, then we can click on the viewer option and select the editor. So anyone with the link on the internet can edit this file. Okay, as you can see that now the permission has been updated, so anyone with the link can edit this Google Sheets file. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove view only in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.